was so scared it's not gonna work.
Oh my god, oh my god, it's in my throat.
No, see.
Honey,
Did you not hear me coming in?
No, and you
I was so scared because it was kind of loud. I was like, oh no, she's gonna hear me.
Oh my god. How did you think to do this? This is terrible, honey. This is terrible.
Stare at the camera.
I was like, this thing just blew up. Give me a hug, honey.
No, I'm good. Just look at your face.
It's flour? Like, this is terrible. This is the craziest thing that's ever happened to me. I have to say it.
Thumbs up.